Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Ligand Docker. Step 1. Project Setup. First, let's move the cursor to the Project Title field and enter a name for our project. Next, we'll move down to the Modules section. Here you can select one or more of the docking modules you'd like to use, such as Vina, Smina, RxDock, or DiffDock. Now let's load our previous PDB project by moving the cursor to the Load PDB Reader Project button and clicking it. Once the setup is complete, we'll press the Submit button to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Docking Configuration. We are now in Step 2, where we'll define the binding site and select our ligand for docking. Let's start with the Check Upload or Drawing option. Here, we can move the cursor to Upload to use a prepared SDF file, or select Draw to sketch a 2D structure ourselves and submit it. Next, let's look at the Generate Docking Box from Options. Moving the cursor to the Standalone Ligand option, we can see that this creates a docking box centered on the originally bound ligand from the source protein ligand complex. If you know the specific hotspot residues, you can move the cursor to User-Defined Amino Acid to specify them directly. If you don't know the binding site at all, select the Blind Docking option. This will perform docking across the entire surface of the protein. Okay, now let's look at the Show category. Clicking this button allows you to visually confirm the position of your docking box in the 3D viewer. To adjust the box dimensions, we'll move the cursor to the Modify Box section. The default size is 20 angstroms for the X, Y, and Z axes, but you can change these values as needed. By clicking the Ligand Fit Box Size option, the program will automatically calculate the optimal box size to fit our ligand. The No Clash Box Size option is more advanced. It starts with the ligand size and gradually expands the box until it no longer clashes with any surrounding protein atoms, ensuring an optimal fit. Finally, if you're working with a complex that has multiple bound ligands, the Select Docking Boxes option lets you choose which ligand's position to use as the center for your docking box. You can get up to 10 poses as output. Step 3. Reviewing the docking results. Once the docking is complete, you can review the results in the Visualization tool. Here you can also see the information and status of the docking run. Ligand Docker allows you to download the complete docking result. This concludes our basic guide to using Ligand Docker.